going to learn how to accurately use articles before nouns. There are three articles. In fact, two articles. We have a choice in a or an, and the article the. A or an are indefinite articles. Like I say call a doctor. I mean to say call any doctors. But when I say call the doctor, I mean to say a particular doctor. So, a or an are indefinite articles and the is a definite articles. Point number 2. A or an are always used with single countable nouns like a book, an orange, a girl. But the is used with the singular countable noun like the book, like a and it is also used with plural countable noun like the books, and it is also used with uncountable nouns like milk. Now I will tell you how to differentiate between a or an. The choice between a and an is determined by some. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound, an is used as an umbrella, an tower, an enemy. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used as a horse, a unicorn, a boy. Let me now tell you some specific usages of article the. It is used with superlatives as the best book, the darkest cloud. With ordinal like first, second, third. For example, the 6th grade. It is used before musical instrument, the flute, the guitar. It is also used before unique kind of things like the sky, the earth. I hope you will not make mistakes with using articles now. It was fun making this video. I hope you learned. This video for Project Muskaan by Shwain Kinger, 6th Delhi Public School. Thank you.